to come on here and do a quick video. Back in September, I went to Whole Foods and bought garlic. It was local and it was organic. So it was organic and local to California. So I bought several cloves, broke them up, and planted them. So I had to end up harvesting them because there was a lot going on in my backyard. If you can see, there's not much going on, but there's a lot of weeds going on. I haven't been tending to it since my mother passed and getting my house renovated. So there's just, yeah, that's charred back there and it just took off. It's wild. I'm gonna have to get rid of that. Way back there is kale that bolted. I have to get rid of that. This was Brussels sprouts. I don't think I'm gonna get any harvest out of that. Like I said, I wasn't tending to anything. Over here, you see my banana plants. The wind has torn them up, but they're still growing, not producing, but still growing. And yeah, so you can see all the weeds that some are cropping back up, but a lot of them I put a weed killer on, and so my backyard is looking a hot mess. I still have my fruit trees over here. They're surviving. And then my lemon trees right here. I did trim them back this winter. So I have a couple of lemons coming out on them. But yeah, so my backyard is a mess. My garden, shall I say. But anyway, back to the garlic. So this is the harvest I got. As you can see, some of them are pretty big. So I did get some big cloves out of them. They were supposed to go until I think August, because it's like 10 months to grow them. But you know, I have some small ones here. But that's fine. But I got plenty of big ones. It's a real big one right here. A couple of more big ones here. So I got a nice little harvest. I got some little round looking ones that won't be useful. But yeah, so I just wanted to do this quick video to show you my garlic harvest. I am a garlic lover, but the biggest thing I take away from this is that I didn't have to buy garlic seed. I just went over to Whole Foods and bought local garlic that was organic and planted it and got a harvest. So I'm going to finish letting them dry out and then I can store them. Thanks for watching.